Welcome to this new lecture. In this lecture, we will learn how to load large dataset from directories with Keras. So we start. There are conventions for storing and structuring your image dataset on disk in order to make it fast and efficient to load when training and evaluating a deep learning models on image dataset. Once structured, you can use tools like the image data generator class, which is available in the Keras deep learning library to automatically load your train, test, and validation datasets. In addition, the generator will progressively load the images in your dataset, allowing you to work with both small and very large dataset containing thousands or millions of images that may not fit into system memory. In this lecture, you will discover how to structure an image dataset and how to load it progressively when fitting and evaluating a deep learning model. For example, imagine an image classification problem where we wish to classify photos of car based on their color, for example, red cars and blue cars, etc. Directory structure. There is a standard way to lay out your image data for modeling. After you have collected your images, you must sort them first by dataset such as train, test, and validation, and second by their classes. Our data or directory structure of our dataset will be similar or like this. The first directory is our data. It is also called root directory, and in this directory we have another directory, train, and in train directory we have red folder, which contain the red cars with red color. It means red color cars contain in this red folder, and blue cars stored in the blue folders. Similarly, in root directory there is another directory, subdirectory called test directory further contain two directories, red and blue, and similarly validation directory contain further red and blue directory for storing red and blue cars respectively. Now we see a screenshot of our data structure of our data set, or folder or directory structure of our image data set. This is our root directory data, and this is our test directory, which contain further two folders, folder name blue and folder name red, and inside these folders, in blue folders, blue cars are stored, and in red folders red car are stored, and similarly for other folders, train and validation also. Now we see a snippet of code to further understand this concept. First we run this cell. Actually we import the image data generator class from Keras API, and then we mount our Google Drive. Okay, then we create the object of image data generator class, and then we load the data from our Google Drive folders, train, validation, and test directories, and then we set the mode of class mode is binary, because we have two types. We have a car only two types of colors, so therefore we run this. In mains two classes into train folder and two images of two classes in a binary folder, and in validation folder and also in test folder. So data dot flow from directory function return the images in a batch format. So we get or extract the images from batch. We use the train underscore I dot next method. Then we run this. Okay, it's mean this is the number of images, this is the height, width and channel, this is the minimum pixel value and this is the maximum pixel value. So and then we show these, and then we show whether images are loaded or not loaded in this code. So there are two cars, this is a blue car and this is a red car. So we successfully load the data from directories by using the image data generator class, which is available in Keras and TensorFlow. So thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.